What's up, YouTube? Today I got this 2016 Infiniti Q60. I'm going to be showing you how to replace the rear pads and rotors on this today. Notice they're grinding. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I can continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. I already got the parts. Let's do this. Now the first thing we're going to do is you're going to notice this bottom bolt, and a lot of these Nissans and Infinitis have this arm in the way right here that block this bottom bolt from coming out. So I'm going to show you how to get around that. You have to change the rotors. If you're changing those pads, you can just drop down this top bolt, just put your pads in, push your piston back. I did a video on that. If you look on my channel, you'll see a quick video I did on that. But we're replacing the rotors today, so I'm going to show you how to get around that arm. First thing we're going to do is take this top bolt loose right here. It's a 14 millimeter. Now to speed up the process, I'm going to grab Mr. Electric here. Swivel your caliper down. Notice you can't pull it off. See how it hits that arm? Now I'm going to take these big channel locks here. Now if you don't have a big set of channel locks, C-clamp will work good too. Just push your piston back, squeeze it back. Go up a notch. So it's seated all the way. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get our pads out of the way. Toss those in the garbage. Now in this caliper bracket, you're going to have two 19 millimeter bolts. I'm going to break loose this bottom bolt. Now it's a pretty tight clearance, so I'm not sure. As a matter of fact, I'll see. I can't remember. See if you can get out. This is a low profile 19 right here. You can just barely get on it with the 19. So the long socket, maybe with a swivel, a 3/8 swivel. Go ahead and break this bolt loose too before I take that bottom one all the way out. Yeah, they're pretty tight. We're pulling the whole bracket and caliper as one. Because these bracket bolts will clear that arm. Go ahead and just kind of lean that to the side there. Kind of stick those back in the hole. Just wiggle your rotor off. Now if it's kind of stuck, just hit it on the corner a few times with a hammer. Got my new rotor here. Now, if you're going to grease your slides, this is a good time to do it. This one's still got a good bit of grease in it, and it feels nice and free, so I'm not worried about it. All right. This nut goes down pretty tight. Grab our new pads. The warning indicator, the squeaker, goes on the back side. Now, sometimes your brake pads will come with these new clips, but These are still in pretty good shape. You don't have to change them if you don't want to. A lot of times when I change those, I end up with more issues than just leaving them alone, but that's up to you. Pull your caliper back up. Grab your slide, bolts. And your 14. Snug it down. I know we didn't take the bottom bolt loose, but it's always good practice to check it anyways. And just make sure if your rubber boot, you see how that one's exposed. Make sure you wiggle it back and forth to slide it over that little lip so it seals out any moisture. You don't want to see any of that bolt. No shininess. And it's as simple as that, y'all. Alright, well, I'm put my wheel back on. I'm going to pump this pedal up. Make sure you pump the pedal up a few times where it feels hard and high before you drive it. And that's it. Anyways, I hope y'all like this video. I hope it's been informative. Y'all please check like. Y'all please subscribe. Have a good day. Peace out, YouTube.